Hello guys, welcome to the next pattern MCQs. So in this series we have tried to give you the questions which are the pattern of next. That does not mean that this will not comply to the upcoming NEET 2021, because from the NEET 2020 itself we have seen that the pattern of clinical questions and the integrated questions have started coming up. So they will be high yield both for your NEET as well as the next. So let's get started. Your question number 1 is, at 20 feet, the smallest letters that a child can read is 20 by 60. So the visual acuity, that means 20 feet means 6 meters. So the visual acuity of this patient is 20 by 60. Child is having a visual acuity of 20 by 60. Now you have the child walk towards the eye chart. So child is walking towards the eye chart. How far does she walk before she can see the 20 by 20 line? And the options are 15 feet, 7 feet, 13 feet and the 5 feet. Now how to approach such kind of questions? If you register the information what they have given, that at 20 feet this child is able to see 20 by 60. Now the visual acuity of this child is 20 by 60. When you compare this visual acuity with the normal visual acuity, 20 by 20 is the normal visual acuity. How much is the visual acuity of this child? It is actually 1/3. So the child is having the visual acuity 1/3 of the normal one. So that means how far she should go in front in order to see that normal letter. Normal is 20 by 20 line. So how far she goes? So you have to decrease the distance. So what you have to do? Decrease the distance by 3 times. Why? Because when I am comparing her visual acuity with the normal visual acuity, it is 1/3. Now we know that each letter subtends angle of how much? Angle of 5 minutes. Angle of 5 minutes of the arc. But this is done at the respective distance. This is very, very important. At the respective distance. So that means from a distance of 20 feet, it is sustaining an angle of 5 minutes. But because her visual acuity is less than 1/3 of the normal visual acuity, now I have to therefore decrease the distance of this child by 3 times, right? So because I want the angle to be formed 3 times more, and what will happen? Why the angle will be formed 3 times more? When I am decreasing the distance. If you remember the concept of the Snellen's chart, here we have that letter E here, okay, and each letter is sustaining an angle of 5 minutes at a respective distance. Now if you look at the angle which is made at the nodal point, suppose this is the nodal point, so as you move towards the letter, the angle will go on increasing. So I will have to decrease the distance 3 times. So now 20 by 3, this is approximately 7 feet, okay, because 21 by 3 will be 7 feet and you have to make the calculations easy to save time. So this is approximately 7 feet. So child should be at 7 feet. Now when the child should be at 7 feet, but she is standing at 20 feet. So how much forward she should go? 20 minus 7, that is equal to 13 feet. So she has to go forward by 13 feet so that she stands at 7 feet and she is able to see the line 20 by 20. Now let us see the options here. The options were, now see, options are 15 feet, 7 feet, 13 feet and 5 feet. Now even if you know the answer, in hurry what you can do, because I know that the distance should be 1/3, in hurry you can go up with this. But this is again, okay, this is again wrong, because she has to stand at 7 feet while they are asking how much she has to walk before she sees this. So the answer is not the 7 feet. Therefore, the answer will be 13 feet. She has to go 13 feet anteriorly so that she stands at 7 feet and is able to see the 20/20 line. So I hope you like this concept. You have understood this, and truly this will help you and give you an edge towards solving the next pattern questions. Thank you and happy ophthalmology.